Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get mod menu on GTA 5. So yeah, let's begin with the tutorial. What we need to do is get these two zips, and the first zip is for the mod menu and the second zip is for the update and release. So one thing you need is a USB. So you will need a USB. I have already plugged in my USB, but yes. And then you open the update and release and put in USB root and just select all, plug in the USB. That I will do right about now. There, your USB should not pop up like this, but mine does. You just drag everything to the USB root and you should have like this. Now you open your mod menu package and you drag the mod menu PKG to the USB and you should have it like me. Now you should exactly have like me, and you can close the USB folder and put it in your PS3. And further on, I will show you on the PS3. So we are on the PS3 right now. I need you to open the web browser. I will do it right now. And then you need to, click on the start button on your controller there. And type in PS3 exploits. PS3 version 3 hand tools, hand installer, and make sure to select the USB pad that is USB 00, and that USB 00 is nearest to the lower drive, and click on initialize hand. I didn't do this for I've already done this step, but you need to do this and then run it run it hand. So you need to do everything. You go to package manager, make sure you're plugged in your USB and install packages. Oh wait. Before you do that, you need to enable debug package manager. You can do that from hand toolbox or from the web browser. I will show you both methods. And right there. Web browser. And you type in PS3 exploit, version 3 hand tools, and debug package enabler. You can do, if you should know how to do it. And then you go to the package manager, run your enabled and install packages and standard, and click on it. But if you see, I got an error right there. That's for I haven't enabled debug packages. So if you haven't, you will get that error. I will now update enable debug package enabler. As you can see, I'm enabling. And now you go to package manager, install packages, standard, and install the man menu. Okay, back out, and you should see Alex store and some stuff. You go to the Alex application, just follow my steps here, and just click on yes, and wait until this finished. I will skip this part right here. So now the installation has finished, and you click on O and Alex store. Now you go to the mod menu. It should be down there. Here you can select the plus or blues. Blues is that one, and plus is this one. This one is plus. And now you go to the Alex mirrors and install the package. I wouldn't do this for I've already installed the package. And now if you go to GTA, I'll plug in my disk. Sure, I don't know why, but I will do that. So I plugged it in. Let's wait until it appears. There, and it should launch automatically. One thing to notice, you can go online, but you can also be banned if you go online. So I really recommend not going online. As you can see, I have an option to go online, but I wouldn't. I will just show you that I can. So I don't want to get banned. So now we are in the story mode, as you can see, and I will open my mod menu. Let me exit out of the car, and here you see, make sure to disable script injector, and then you can select any mod menu you want. I selected not your drops, and I'll show you some demo. You can do money drop on your friends. You can play with friends too. So you can give them money drop and money rain, launch player in air, kill player, remove all weapons and stuff. Clone them, but one thing to make sure, you can be banned if you go online. So I recommend you play story mode. And yeah, you can do many things with this. You can have God mode, disable cops, wanted levels, set wanted level on any walls. And so yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.